Hey guys, this is Miss Lindo. This is Module 4, Lesson 5, Homework Help video. And today we worked on story problems and doing two-step problems. And so we really had to have some stamina to work through our steps, knowing that there were more than one step to each problem. So let's take a quick look. Remember, we're trying to figure out first if we're adding or subtracting, and then if they are multiple step problems. So your must-dos tonight are 2, 3, and 5, so you may omit 4. We're going to go ahead and walk through number 1 together, so let's go ahead and look at number 1. Number 1 says 38 markers were in the bin. Chase added 43 markers that were on the floor to the bin. How many markers are in the bin now? So the first thing we talked about was figuring out if we're adding or subtracting. So for this problem, we know that there are 38 in the bin, and we know that Chase added 43. So for this problem, we are adding. You need to show your strategy. You may use a tape diagram. You may use our arrow way that we worked on last week, or you may also use quick tens. If a number bond helps you, you may also do a number bond. Remember, for this problem, since we're trying to find the whole, our number bond would have the whole empty and then the two parts we know are 38 and 43. So for this problem, we're adding. You do not have to solve this problem. I just wanted to show you as an example. Number 2, let's read over it together. It says there are 29 fewer big stickers on the sticker sheet than the little stickers. There are 62 little stickers on the sheet. How many big stickers are there? A great strategy for this would be the tape diagram, because we know that there are 62 little stickers. We don't know how many big stickers there are, but we know that it's 29 fewer. So we know the whole, we know one part, but we're missing a part. So think about if we're going to add or subtract. Let's go ahead and look at number 3. So for number 3, it says Rose has 34 photos in a photo album and 41 photos in a box. How many photos does she have? So think about, are we adding or are we subtracting? And then let's look at number 5. This one is a multi-step problem, so this is going to take a little bit of time. It said Chad bought a shirt for $19 and a pair of shoes for $28 more than the shirt. So the first thing they're asking you to do is figure out how much was the pair of shoes. So we know that he bought a shirt for $19 and a pair of shoes that was $28 more than the shirt. So to figure out how much the pair of shoes were, think about, we don't know how much the shoes were. We just know it was $28 more than the shoes. B, how much money did Chad spend on the shirt and shoes? So we know how much he bought the shirt for. If you figure out A, that should help you solve B. And then C says if Chad had $13 left over, so we know how much he spent in all for B, and he has $13 left over, how much money did he have before buying the shirt and shoes? So in other words, how much money did he have going into the store before he bought anything? Hope you guys have a great night. Keep up the awesome work, and I'll see you tomorrow.